Hey, what's up guys? Huawei Mate 30 series. The new lineup from the Chinese giant will include 4 variants: Huawei Mate 30, Mate 30 Pro, Mate 30 RS Posh design, and Mate 30 Lite. Just like every year when a new important flagship series is about to launch, a lot of leaks and rumors surface online, revealing all the main specifications and features of the upcoming devices. That is why we know almost everything about the Huawei Mate 30 series. So let us talk about design, performance, battery and each and every aspect of this Huawei Mate 30 series. Coming to the design, Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro will have a brand new design way different from their predecessor from the P30 series. The rear side will house a circular camera module including several sensors, while the front panel will be different depending on the variant. The vanilla Mate 30 will have a classic flat display with a small notch, while the Mate 30 Pro will come with a new waterfall display that will offer side controls. It will be a screen with an extremely curved side, and it will include a wider notch housing additional sensors for 3D face unlock. Display. Usually the Mate series comes with a better displays than the P series, but we expect different display quality depending on the variants. However, Huawei Mate 30 is tipped to come with a lower Full HD Plus display resolution, while the Mate 30 Pro should have a Quad HD Plus display boosting a 90Hz refresh ratio. The Mate 30 Pro will have a different waterfall display panel with a wider notch and will include side controls. The screen will obviously include under-display fingerprint readers. LG is set to supply the OLED panels to Huawei for the Mate 30 Pro. Specs and software. Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro are the Huawei's first phone to be powered by the new Kirin 990 chipset. It will be the world's first chipset to feature an integrated 5G modem and will also come in a cheaper versions with a 4G only. There will supposedly be a 8 or 12 GB of RAM depending on the variants, and up to 512 GB of internal storage expandable with a microSD card. Due to the issues coming from the US ban and Android license by Google, Huawei Mate 30 series will ship without Play Store and Google Apps. The phones will still have Android, but it will include third-party alternatives to Google Apps running on a bespoke version of Android 10. Obviously, the 5G enabled variants will now be missed given the 5G capabilities of Kirin 990 chipset, but we expect a higher price. The main USP of this phone is its camera. Just like most of the Huawei's flagships release, even on new Mate lineup, the camera department will be a key feature. Inside the round-shaped camera housing of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, there will be 4 sensors with a super slow motion support. 2 of them will come with a 40MP resolution. The first sensor will be a Sony IMX600 with an aperture of f1.6 and optical stabilization. The secondary sensor will be a 40MP wide cine camera. The third one will be a 8MP telephoto lens with an aperture of f2.4, and the fourth will be a TOF sensor. The phone is even rumored to sport a xenon flash and a color temperature sensor. With these specifications, it may be the best camera phone out there. Huawei Mate 30 will get a 4200 mAh of battery, while Mate 30 Pro will feature a larger 4500 mAh unit. Both will support 40W fast charging alongside a wireless charging technology reaching a max power of 27W. Mate 20 Pro had a price about of $1,150 at launch, so I expect a similar price tag. Just like Apple did, the company might even decide to decrease the prices, as after the US ban its sales dropped and devices will not feature Google Apps. Launch date. Huawei will officially announce the Mate 30 series through an event that will be held in Munich, Germany on September 19. There is no official confirmation about the arrival of the successor of Mate 20X, that is Mate 30X. In case you missed it, the Mate 20X was a bigger variant of the Mate 20. So this is everything you must know about the Huawei Mate 30 series, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.